everyone. This is Dave Moreland from Crane Nuclear. Today we're going to talk about the new transducer from Crane Nuclear, the Digital TST. The Digital TST replaces the old analog TST. The Digital TST is smaller, lighter, easier to install, and has a much cleaner signal than the old analog TST. You see it has a full 360 degrees of motion, meaning that it can be installed in any orientation. It comes with a magnetically mounted, integrally installed anti-rotation post. First, before performing any work on an actuator, always make sure you have the proper PPE. Gloves, glasses, hard hat. To install the Digital TST, it's very simple. First, you remove the limit switch compartment cover, which I've already done for the purpose of this video. Install the TST over the center post. That's all there is to it. TST is installed and ready for use. Once installed, the Digital TST will plug directly into a universal cable on the Votes Infinity system, supporting the assist technology. If you have the version 3.2 or later software. If you have 3.1 or earlier software, a assist bypass cable will be required. So you simply plug that in, and then this plugs directly into the universal cable, and the software will then recognize that you have a sensor, and you'll have to tell it that it's a TST and that you want it to be measuring spring back displacement.